What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to fix VLC unable to open the MRL error. Now first you should go to the video or the MP4 that has the problem, and what you should do right now is to simply right click on it, then go to properties, and now you have to go to the security option and go to advanced. Then once you go to advanced, you will find here this button, change, click on it, and now you have to type here administrator, and make sure that you have typed it like this. Then click on check names right here, and now you have to click on OK. Then now you have to click on apply down below right here, then click on OK and press the OK button. Now go back again to the same MP4, then right click on it, then choose properties, and after that go to security again, and now you have to choose this one right here, administrators, then click on edit, and it will show you this window. And now you have to make sure that all these boxes are unchecked, so I'm gonna uncheck them all, as you can see. Then once you finish, click on apply, then click on OK, then click on OK again, and when you try back to run this MP4 using VLC, it will be working properly. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.